Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting hotspots now, so check 2 quick prerequisites. Your carrier plan supports personal hotspot and cellular data is enabled. Once done, go to Settings and tap Personal Hotspot. Turn on Allow Others to Join. This broadcasts the network. While here, note the Wi-Fi password shown. Change it to something secure if it's default. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active too, because devices can join via either method. This improves compatibility and battery handling. Now connect another device. Pick Wi-Fi for general use, Bluetooth for low power, or USB for fastest, most stable link. On the client, look for your iPhone's SSID and enter the hotspot password. You'll see a blue bar on the iPhone when a device joins. For USB tethering, plug in the lightning cable, tap Trust if prompted, and enable tethering on the computer. Once connected, monitor data usage and device list in Personal Hotspot to avoid unexpected overage. Finish by managing sessions. Disconnect idle devices and turn the hotspot off when not needed to save battery. If something goes wrong, try quick fixes. Toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, restart your iPhone, then test again. If that fails, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone. This clears Wi-Fi and cellular configs. Make sure your carrier hasn't hit a limit or imposed blocks. And update iOS. Updates often fix tethering bugs and improve reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.